How to change padding in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the padding. First of all, open the application. Now, on the right bottom, you'll be able to see this content option. Simply tap on content. Now, here on the top is settings button. Simply tap on settings. Now, I'm in the settings interface. Here in this editing section, you'll be able to see the padding option. You'll be able to even see a slider. Now you can select the slider and keep it to wherever you like. So it will make a huge difference while you are in this editing platform. So you can select it according to your preference and at last simply go back. So it has been saved and your padding has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.